So there's something that happened to ADA over the last week that actually shocked me a little bit. So we obviously know these market times, they haven't been great, right? The prices haven't really been doing much throughout the space. And people have been doing a little bit of selling. In fact, whales are no different. These ADA whales, they actually dumped 1.02 billion tokens into the market over the last week. But here's the thing. This is what shocked me. It didn't even matter. It made no dent in the price whatsoever. In fact, ADA is slightly up right now from where it entered September. So this is a great sign. And it kind of backs up essentially what I've been saying this whole time. You know, this $95 million or $265 million worth of ADA should normally have made a dent, but there's so much, I said that really weird. There's so much support for ADA around these price levels that I really don't know how much lower ADA can go. You know, I've heard people call for 17-cent ADA and 11-cent ADA. And frankly, I don't know if it happens. Just looking back, even throughout 2023 here, we entered the year at 24 cents, all right? We really have not gone back to 24 cents except for the SEC FUD combined with the institutional sell-off. And even then, we didn't stick around there very long. We essentially wicked down, we wicked back up. 26 cents was where we were sitting. Right now, we're at 25.5 cents. I don't know, guys, if we're going to go back and touch 24 cents like I showed here in the charts. It's completely possible. Just know this, right? You know, bad macro events, black swan events, they always have the possibility of taking us lower at these times where there's not much capital inflow into the market. That's a thing that's very important and I want people to hear. But at the same time, if it comes just, or if we're talking just a pure fundamental ADA breakdown in the current market structure, I don't see it. Okay. There are so many people that are beginning to realize what Cardano is building behind the scenes, and they don't want to lose any of their bag. In fact, more people are adding to their bags. I'm adding to my bag. Okay. I want to have as much ADA as I can, because you got to remember, most of the ADA ecosystem is not being utilized yet. All right. We're still like essentially the early adopters in Cardano at this time. Remember, we didn't have smart contract functionality until late 2021. We didn't have the ability to create cheap dApps until late last year, right? When we had the the Vassal hard fork. Jeez, it's the morning, guys. Bear with me. But that's the point I want to make. I don't know if we go down to these levels. It's looking more and more likely that we don't, especially as we start to have some of those, the economic recovery, right? The better macro factors, as there's more capital flowing into crypto with the approval of Bitcoin spot ETFs and, you know, the now approved trading in China. I mean, there's all these bullish things that are beginning to take place. And it can lead to this wave of increase in prices across the broader crypto market. And when it comes to ADA, that's one that can directly benefit from that capital influx. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Again, it shocked me that ADA held up as much as it did with a supply dump of 3% of the total supply. That's actually kind of insane. But I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The great thing is that there's not a crazy amount of ADA whales. So hope you guys have a great day. Let me know your thoughts below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.